For my base coat, I will be using Ready for Takeoff. For my base color, I'll be using Snowy White from Sinful colors. I will be applying 2 coats of that to get full opacity. Alright, next I'm going to apply some liquid latex around each nail. And when I apply this, I'm probably going to go up at least to right about here. And you'll see in a minute while we're doing it that way. Alright, and the reason we took the liquid latex all the way up is we're going to be taking Wet n Wild's I Read a Good Book, and we're going to be dipping a straw into it, and we're going to be splattering each nail with the red, making it look like blood splatter. And to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this brush out and get all of this that I can off of the brush, and we're going to set it to the side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my straw and I'm just going to dip it down in there, and then what you want to do is just blow, and it gives you a really realistic look. You can do it 1 or 2 times each nail depending on how you get the first one to look. On the middle nail, I'm just going to do it once because I'm going to be doing a little bit of freehand drawing on the ring finger afterwards. It doesn't always work, as you can see, but just keep dipping and blowing it through the straw. Until you get the result that you like. I'm going to move this to the side, and I'm going to take my tweezers, and I'm going to ever so gently take the latex off. If you don't really want to make this big of a mess while you're doing your nails, you can always stamp the design on, like this plate from Color Club, their Splatter plate. There's a lot of cool little like spiders here, and then you've got the handprints. But this is also a really good way to get the splatter effect if you don't want to make all of the mess. But now, going on to cleanup, I'm going to start with a Q-tip dipped in acetone to get some of the bigger parts. The Q-tip soaks up the polish a lot better than the brush, so it works a lot better for these bigger areas. And then once we're finished cleaning up with the Q-tip, I'm going to go in even closer with my small brush dipped in acetone. And on my ring finger, as I mentioned, I'm going to be freehand drawing as a little spider. The polish I'm going to be using is from Sinful colors. I am using black on black. And to make this a little easier, I'm just going to take my palette and take a little bit of the black out onto the palette. And then we are going to use a toothpick. Then I'm going to connect his body to my cuticle using a line to represent the web. Once everything is dry, I'm going to take top coat. Of course, I'm using the Seche Vite. I'm going to apply that to all the nails. I went ahead and added a second layer of top coat just to smooth everything out and create a smooth canvas for my matte top coat. The matte top coat I will be using is from Sinful Colors, and their matte top coat is called Mattefly top coat. And once your matte top coat is dry, you are done. Don't forget, I upload every Sunday at 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. I will be posting some pictures on Instagram. If you want to follow me, I will link it in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you never want to miss another video, don't forget to ring the bell. I'll see y'all next week.